In this video, I'll show you how to do audience and product research with AI. And you might roll your eyes and say, what difference will research make for my ad? And it's actually very simple. So the first one is you will improve your ad performance. When you understand your audience, it's easier to get them to buy because you are actually targeting their pain points and their desires. Then the next one is you will never run out of new ideas. So most brands don't even have a research doc they can always reference, and this makes ideating and coming up with new ideas way more difficult than it needs to be. And then the third one is you will get better outputs when using AI to help you make ads. So AI works 10x better when you give it extra context, and if you're using AI to come up with hooks, write scripts, then this will give you even better outputs. So if you want all those benefits up here, then this video is just for you. For this video, we're going to use Moonjuice as an example, so moonjuice.com right here, and we will focus on their magnesium supplement product. And now this is where everything starts. First, we need to figure out what we are selling. So before you market anything, you need to really understand what the product is, does, and how it stacks up against competitors' products. The first step is to identify the product features. So the first thing we need to understand about the product is the features. So let's go ahead and figure out what the product has and what it can do. And since we're going to use AI to do the product research, this is the prompt that I'm going to use. So it says scan through the product website URL, the Moonjuice product website, and then give me a list of the features of the product in a simple bulleted list with quick to read headlines. Don't give me benefits, just the features. So let's put this in. And for this example, we're going to use this plugin from ChatGPT, which is Web Browsing Ninja. This actually enables ChatGPT to go ahead and scan the websites. This is what I got from ChatGPT. So what you want to do right now is go ahead and put it together in a document. For this example, I'm just going to put everything together here. Here's all the features that I got transferred into the document. And also keep in mind that there are some features that the GPT didn't give me. So I just went into the website and then scanned through and read everything that it has over here. And then I just pasted it over here. So I recommend that you use the AI, but you also go through the website and scan through all the features and everything, because sometimes the AI is not going to give you everything that you want. And now we're on to step number 2, which is identifying the benefits. So now we'll need to understand the benefits of the product's features and how they make the customer's life better and actually solve the problem. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Now scan through the product website URL. Give me a list of the product benefits based on the product's features in a simple bulleted list with quick to read highlights. Don't give me features, just benefits. So let's plug it in and see what we get. Alright, so these are the benefits that we got. So let's go ahead and copy and paste them into the document. Here's a great example of what I talked about. So I got all of this from the GPT, but then I thought that it's really not enough to put together the research. So I'm going to go into the website over here. Then I see the benefits over here. So I saw it didn't add regular bowel movement, so I'm gonna add that in right now. And here's the benefits added in. So I added in it promotes relaxation, helps ease tension and calm the mind, supports sleep quality. So all of the benefits, make sure you write them in right here, especially the most important benefits of the product. And now we're on to step number 3, which is finding what makes the product different or better from competitors. So this is where you find out what sets your product from competing products in the market. Like what sets your product apart from competitors' product. For the GPT prompt, I'm going to use this one right here. Use the information in the product's website URL. What makes the product better than other competitors? And then I told it to format each point in this way. So unlike many / most competitors / other products, that shortcoming or limitation, Moonjuice then describe unique benefit or feature. So let's put it into ChatGPT. And here's what I got over here. One of them is, unlike many competitors that offer single source magnesium, Moonjuice combines magnesium citrate and glycinate for superior absorption and effectiveness. So let's put all of this into the document right now. And here I added all of the points. And I also want you to keep in mind when you're doing all of the research, if the GPT gives you a piece of research information that you think your audience doesn't really care about, then feel free to get rid of it. You don't have to put it in here. So we're done with finding out how the product is better than competitors. Now let's move on into the next one. Now we're on to part 2 of the research phase, which is figuring out who we are selling to. So understanding your audience is just as important as understanding your product, because this step often makes or breaks ad success. And step 4 is finding the audience's pain points. Let's understand the problems or challenges that the audience faces. And here's the simple prompt that we're going to use for this. So using this information of the product, give me a list of pain points of the audience which doesn't use this product. So what I mean right here by using this information of the product is gathering all of the information that you got from all of these prompts before and then putting it into ChatGPT to better understand your audience's pain points. And now I plugged in all of the previous information that I got into the prompt, and let's see what it gives us. And now I copied the pain points that I received from ChatGPT into the document, and one of them is difficulty managing stress. So the audience is struggling to find effective ways to calm their mind and actually reduce tension. So these are all the pain points ready to go. And then step number 5 is identifying failed solutions. So what has the audience already tried that didn't work for them? For the ChatGPT prompt, I added in identify the common solutions or products that the audience of the product has likely tried but found ineffective or unsatisfactory in addressing their specific problem. And then I just wrote, provide a concise list of these failed or suboptimal solutions, highlighting their shortcomings in relation to the desired income. Then I added in the product website URL right here. Now it's time to plug it in and see what we get. And here are the failed solutions that I got. So one of them is single source magnesium supplements. So the limited absorption and effectiveness compared to a multi-form magnesium complexes. So what you want to do right here is to add in the failed solution and then add in why it's a failed solution, why it didn't work for the audience. And we're on to the next one. This is step number 6, and we're going to identify the audience's belief system. So here we'll figure out what the audience values and how they view solutions. So here's the prompt that I'm using. What are the belief systems of the audience that is thinking of buying the supplement that I'm doing the example for? Write each sentence in both first person's perspective and don't settle on sustainability or transparency. And this is what I got over here. And I also added another part of the prompt to make sure that you can get enough information on your audience's belief system. So let's put it in. And there we go. We should have more belief systems of the audience. And here's the main belief systems of the audience written down. So this was supposed to be step number 7, but now we're going to identify potential objections that the audience might have. So now we'll think about the reasons why someone might not buy and actually build counter arguments based on that. So for the prompt, it's give me a list of common objections potential customers might have before buying the product, but make sure to provide me with one sentence counter arguments. And here's the objections with the counter arguments. So the first one could be magnesium supplements upset my stomach. And the counter argument could be magnesium is formulated with gentle, bioavailable forms of magnesium designed to minimize digestive discomfort. So now we have the objections. It's time to move into part number 3, which is why does the audience need us? Why do they need the product? So now that you know the product, you know the audience, it's time to connect those dots. And we're on to step number 7, which is why the audience needs us at a functional level. Now we'll put together the practical, tangible benefits of the product. And here's the ChatGPT prompt based on this information of the product and audience. Why does the audience need the product at a functional level? Write it in third person perspective. And then I added in the product website URL, so let's do it. Also keep in mind that for this prompt, plug in all the information that you got before. So I just plugged it in right here and let's see what it gives us. And now these are the main reasons that the audience needs us at the functional level. Now here's the list of why the audience needs us at a functional level. And then I just added in the main points of why they actually need us. And then the next one is just the same, why the audience needs us, but at an emotional level. So now we're going to figure out the product, how the product will make the audience feel emotionally and tap into their deeper desires. And the prompt for this one is just similar as the one before. So now give me a list of why the audience needs the product at an emotional level and write it in third person perspective. Here's the product website URL. So for this one, you don't have to add in all the information since the GPT already has it in the history. So we're just gonna plug it in and see what it gives us. And now here's why the audience needs us at an emotional level. So one of them could be stress relief. So it offers emotional comfort by helping the audience manage their overwhelming feelings of daily stress. And we're done. That's it. Now you should have a deeper understanding of your audience and product, and you are better equipped and much closer to finding your next ad creative winner. And because of the extra effort you put in, your ad performance will improve, you will never run out of new ideas, and you will get way better outputs when using AI to help you make ads. And if you want more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to drop a like if this video was helpful. And if you want me to provide ad creatives for your e-commerce or D2C brand, my clients include Fulton Insoles, Javi Coffee, Cheeky, Tryhard, Lavari Jewelers, and Scotty Vest. I can provide your brand with UGC ads, podcast ads, static ads, and AI ads. If you're interested, then book a 30-minute call with me using the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching.